I'm finally doing this so I can save it. I've just answered a lot of individual messages over the years about bedding. And so I'm going to get organized around that and show you guys what we have. This is a mattress protector. We have this mattress protector on each bed. It is waterproof, super, super soft and very easy to wash. The company is sleepandbeyond. And they are a family-owned company, which I love also. And then in each room, on each bed, we do have these comforters. I'm going to probably link the products for you guys just to make it easy in the next couple slides. And this is that top one in this last slide, the organic mattress topper, I think it's called. And then the other one below that, we have that one in Ben's room. So we've used both and both are great. I mentioned about the comforter and actually the mattress pad also. We have used these in California and in Idaho. So I feel like they are not too hot. They're not too cold. They kind of are, I don't know if you say it this way, but like self-regulating almost. I sleep with this year round, and have lived in both states with it. So I do not, I'm sure I'll get that question like, oh my gosh, it's wool. Is it too warm? And it is not.